The HPN Signature Series Multifunction Heat Press is shipped with the 15 by 15 inch t-shirt attachment installed. To install any of the additional Signature Series lower platens, first remove the 15 by 15 inch lower platen from its platform. Unscrew the 2 twist knobs underneath the platen and lift it off of the platform. Drop a Signature Series lower platen onto the platform and secure it using the 2 twist knobs. The new lower platen is now installed. To install the plate attachments, first disconnect the 15 by 15 inch heating element from the computer box. Next, remove the heating element from the pressure clamping assembly by unscrewing the 4 twist knobs in the center of the platen. Lift up the pressure clamping assembly and remove the platen using the side handles. Place the plate attachment onto the 15 by 15 inch lower platen and position the pressure clamping assembly above it. Use the pressure adjustment knob to lower the pressure clamping assembly onto the plate attachment. Secure it using the 4 twist knobs. Plug the silver ring connector onto the left side of the computer box. The plate attachment is now installed. To install the cap attachment, remove the 15 by 15 inch lower platen from its platform. Unscrew the 2 twist knobs underneath the platen and lift it off of the platform. Place the lower cap platen onto the platform and secure it using the 2 twist knobs. Place the top cap platen onto the lower platen. Lower the pressure clamping assembly onto the cap attachment. Secure it using the 4 twist knobs. Plug the silver ring connector into the left side of the computer box. The cap attachment is now installed. To install the mug attachment, place the mug cradle next to the base of the heat press. Plug the silver ring connector, attached to the heating element, into the left side of the computer box. Then plug the silver ring connector, attached to the timer, into the right side of the computer box. The mug attachment is now installed. To exchange the heating element of the mug press, remove the element from the mug cradle by unscrewing each of the twist knobs holding it in place. Place the new element in position and secure it with the twist knobs. If you have any questions regarding your HPN Signature Series heat press machine or heat transferring in general, please visit support.heatpressnation.com.